Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making sweet and sour shrimp stir fry. So first we're going to begin to cook our shrimp in just a little bit of oil. We're only going to have to par cook these. Little trick, I'm actually going to use my bowl to steam them a little bit. We've got a big pot of boiling water over here that's going to go for our My Fun noodles. They only take 2 to 4 minutes to cook. You can see they're really wafer thin. They'll cook up really quickly, so we can do that at the very last minute. And we've got our other ingredients here. We've got some peppers, some carrots, and then we've got some ketchup, some soy sauce, some agave, a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of water, and a little bit of cornstarch dissolved in water to kind of make our sauce for our shrimp. Season these just slightly. A little salt, a little cracked black pepper. Our shrimp just need a few more minutes, so we're going to pull those off now. We'll return those to the pan in just a couple of minutes. We got some heat to our pan. We go in with our carrots and our bell pepper. Add just a little bit of water to help these soften up. If you add that, you can crank your heat all the way up to high, and we'll soften those vegetables really quick. Okay, so we're going to add our cornstarch slurry. Agave, got our vinegar, teriyaki or soy. We could use a little bit of both, and we've got some ketchup. Let all of this cook together, begin to thicken up, and then we're going to add our shrimp back in, let it finish cooking in this mixture. Alright, so as that starts to reduce, I'm going to go ahead and drop our noodles. You drop them in just as a nest, just like they are, and they'll separate. Cook. Okay, give our noodles a check. I'll pull my noodles off, drain them. Okay, you can reduce the heat once that begins to thicken. Add your shrimp back in. we're just going to let our shrimp finish cooking all the way through. As soon as they are cooked all the way through, you can combine this with your noodles. I would top it with maybe a little bit of green onion or some scallion, something like that if you wanted to as a garnish. And we'll plate it up and show you the finished product here in just a few minutes.